Keegan, what are you doing?
No.
Keegan, is it nighttime?
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, it's nighttime. Is it 1 in the morning?
Yeah, dog.
Yeah. Are you gonna go to bed now? What are you eating?
Toast.
You're eating toast. Did you put your pants back on?
Yeah.
You did put your pants back on? You like pants?
I like it.
You like those pants? Because they have monsters on them? You have toast on your bottom.
The mask is on.
Yeah, it was messy toast on.
Uh-oh.
What are you singing? Were you singing a song?
Yeah, dog. Not covered. You big dog.
Oh, really? And what else? How else does that song go?
It be big dog.
Oh, really?
Yeah, dog.
I didn't know that song. Can you sing it for me?
My Batman out. Batman out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Are you going to go to bed now? Are you done with your toast? No? Keegan?
Oh, boy, to me, yes. Oh, boy, round now. Oh, yeah.
You ready for bed?
Yes, Batman.
Yes, Batman? You going to eat your toast?
You Batman.
Who's Batman?
You are Batman.
I am Batman?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. Who are you?
I am Batman.
I thought I was Batman.
Us both Batman.
Oh, we're both Batman? Oh, good to know.
Yeah, so.
Alright, Keegan, we're going to go to bed now, okay?
Oh, wait.
Alright. Can you pick up your toast pieces, please? Please. Where's your toast pieces? They're under your butt.
No. No. My toast.
I have your toast pieces. Alright, we're going to go nights. Keegan, what time is it?
4 hours ago.
It's hours ago. Yes, it is kind of hours ago, depending on the relevance of the situation. Keegan, you know you're solely to blame for my insanity, right?
I know. Baby crying.
Baby crying? Keegan,
Violin.
you're making your mama crazy.
No way.
No way.
No way.
You are.
No way. No way.
Do you understand the whole rest of the house is sleeping?
No way.
Alright,
Me out.
we're gonna go now. No nights.